If you are shy, not usually the conversation starter, and mostly stay quiet, people use you. In this world, you will be mistreated, taken advantage of, and have things taken from you. People will also exploit your resources and time to gain power over you before stabbing you in the back. As a result, you need to get out of this timid, shy mindset since it will seriously impact your life. Hello, welcome back to KnoWhat. In this video, I will spill the tea on how to get better at talking to people and communicating effectively. Make sure to watch till the end if you want to be a better communicator. There are many other ways to communicate effectively, which might seem like small things, but play a major role in your communication skills. Work in sales. If you want to improve your communication skills, working in sales can help. Selling anything is a viable option if you want to address this issue. It doesn't matter if it's door-to-door sales of vacuum cleaners or gym subscriptions. This is a valuable ability once you can adapt to and develop it, whether you're telemarketing for something or anything else and trying to convince random individuals to buy from you. Learn to just say hi. It's a powerful talent to learn how to make small chats like, "Hey, how's it going? How's your day?" Once you master it and flip the switch, just walk up to someone and say what's on your mind. Perform on stage. Another way of improving your communication skills is getting on stage. This includes improv stand-up comedy. You can learn how to be amusing. If you're a musician and want to play your instrument, or if you and your band walk up on stage with a spotlight shining on you and entertain a bunch of bored folks watching you. You can develop self-assurance in your peers even after you leave school. There's no downside to it. You will increase your sales, meet more people, and appear more confident and capable of communicating effectively in front of others. Listen. The desire of people is to feel heard. Rather than drafting your reaction, pay close attention to what the other person is saying. In order to avoid misconceptions, seek clarification. The person who is speaking to you right now ought to be the most significant person in your life. Maintain your body language. For in-person meetings and video conferencing, this is crucial. Make sure you come across as approachable by using open body language. You should therefore avoid crossing your arms. Additionally, maintain eye contact to show that you're paying attention to the other person. Know what to say. You must be well prepared so that your speech has a hook, the main point, a few supporting arguments, and a call to action at the conclusion. But after that, you must let the rest happen naturally. You can then change the arguments you make, the questions you pose, or even the course of action you recommend based on how your ideas are received by your audience. Face-to-face interaction is what gives the communication a tremendous edge. Be audible. Being audible is crucial when communicating. There's a good likelihood that people won't grasp what you're saying if they can't hear what you're saying. Make an effort to be heard when speaking to people. Speaking loudly enough for people to hear without straining. Show interest. You must establish your sincere interest in the other person at the outset of a conversation. You can demonstrate that by shaking hands firmly. To demonstrate that you truly understand what the other person is saying. You might also nod or lean at suitable times throughout the conversation. Smile. Of all the advice you'll hear on face-to-face communication, this one is undoubtedly the most crucial. It has been noted how important body language is, and the best language you can employ to make others feel comfortable is a grin. Do not interrupt. Never break off a conversation with someone you're speaking to. A person will not appreciate it if you interrupt them in the middle of a statement since it is disrespectful. Watch your tone. Studies show that between 35 and 40% of the messages we convey depend on the tone of voice we use. In addition to volume, the tone also includes the kind of emotion you convey and the phrases you choose to highlight. The audience will pay attention if you emphasize a word in a sentence, signaling its importance. Emotions can also be used to express how you're feeling. For instance, an enthusiastic tone can suggest that you're passionate about a project, while a sad tone can convey that you're unhappy with the result. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, like this video and subscribe to KnoWhat for more content like this. Have you ever performed on stage? Tell us in the comments below. Until next time, thanks for watching.